This is absolutely incredible to see that I was able to give you guys this move in the latest Quant video a few days ago. Hi guys, it's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Quant update. We can see that Quant did actually manage to meet the 1.272 target, which I gave at $111. This was as a result of the reclaim of this golden pocket after bouncing off this lower level of support down here, this area that I gave in the previous updates. We then managed to, of course, hold this layer of support which I gave in previous updates, this being the double bottom neckline, as well as a smaller one over here. And I was suggesting that this is an area that, if held, will continue to help price create the reversal wave past, let's just say, $105 to head up to $108 to $111, which I was saying, and that if we ever lose this level, I prepared you with targets to the downside. So we simply found this area of support down here, which I gave, reclaimed this previous support over here, created the reversal wave as I suggested, with price meeting the target over here. If you appreciate me bringing out this valuable information that not many people unfortunately give out over on YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe, like and comment. It only takes a second and it does help grow the channel and get these videos out to like-minded people like yourselves. So now the question is, what is Quant's next move? So as this area where we've created the reversal wave to head up to this price point over here was a key level of resistance, I need to see it holding as support. So don't get surprised. You know, we might continue up a little bit further. We do have further targets to the upside that are yet to be met. However, we did meet 111, and when in the last video updates we were talking about the short term where it was going next, and it was that 111 location. So we still have those targets to the upside, still valid. However, don't be surprised if we don't just get up there just yet. In fact, come back down to test what was the resistance now as support. So pretty much around this area over here. If we come back down to around $105, I think that would be a great time to DCA if you did miss out on getting it down here. As I was constantly telling you guys, I've been constantly accumulating in this area over here. And if you want more personal guidance on Quant or any further assistance with Quant or trading in general, just reach me out on my Twitter. The links are found in the description below. You can join my chat where I help everyone out daily. There's people in there also posting trade ideas as well to help other people out. And yeah, if that's something that you want to do, I can actually provide it free for your first 3 months. If you message me about the education, we can look into that into more details. But yeah, just to reiterate, wouldn't be surprised right now if we come back down to test this area, as this was the resistance. I need to see it held for continuation higher to somewhat the area between $112 to $115. Let's just say a little bit below 114 and 50. Let's just say. Yeah, it's just in and around that area, isn't it? And then as we scale back out to the daily time frame, we can see that yes, we've approached this resistance of $111. Now I guess I can drag this down and create a box down to that 1.272, which is where we have got rejected as of this moment. So we can see that it's resistance. We've got 200 EMA above us. This was, as we see to the left over here, previous resistance. If I just drag this back even further, just like that. Yeah, so head and shoulders pattern, shoulders over here. It was once support at some point to send us back up to the range high. To the left, we see that over here, the resistance of the range, which sends us back down to the lows. Yeah, that's why we were accumulating in this area the last few months or so. And finally waiting to see if this double bottom would play out. And we've seen that from the lows, we've formed a double bottom now. However, as you can see on the daily time frame, as we zoom out, we've got a lot of resistance over here that we've just broken out of that hasn't been back tested as of yet. So I think that would be a great entry point if we do come back down into that area. So don't get surprised if we come down into here and then have another go. Can we then break the 200 EMA on that point and maybe head up it more in towards 117 to $125 over here? Again, that is resistance, but this is the slow process of actually trying to invalidate this head and shoulders pattern, which again is still yet to meet the target, although the pattern is valid. But with that diamond pattern, guys, I wouldn't worry about that too much. Let me just check. No, we are still beneath the neckline. But look, we've got an ascending support over here right now. We've got a low and higher low over here, which, yeah, we were holding this support over here to the left, which was around, yeah, pretty much $100 which I gave you in the last few updates. So waiting for this to round off. Not surprised if it comes back down and eventually break out of this larger double bottom over here. Can you see that? So we've essentially rounded off over here, come back up to the neckline, probably get rejected, have another go at breaking the neckline, and then meeting the target, which would be around this resistance over here, again between $117 and $125. Guys, don't forget to like this video update today. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment beneath if you're finding value. If you want to message me for any further assistance, if you want 3 months totally free in my Discord community, message me for the education or just to join the chat in general anyway. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and as always, peace.